The Constitution of India provides for unicameral legislatures in some states and bicameral legislatures in others. The members of the Union Public Service Commission are appointed by the President. Which of the following does not constitute a basic feature of the Indian Constitution? Presidential form of government. The Prime Minister of India now receives a monthly salary of 2,80,000 plus salary and benefit received by Member of Parliament. The most powerful upper house among the following is the Senate in the USA. The tenure of office of the Indian President is fixed by the Constitution. For a successful and effective functioning of the parliamentary system, it is necessary to have a strong opposition party. On which among the following subjects is the Union Parliament not competent to make laws for Jammu and Kashmir? Finance. The Controller and Auditor General does not audit the receipts and expenditure of municipal undertakings. In the matter of representation of states in the Rajya Sabha, Uttar Pradesh tops the list. Next comes Maharashtra. The first governor ever to be dismissed by the president was Prabhudas Patwari. The governor of a state receives a bill passed by the legislative assembly of the state for resettlement of citizens in the state affecting the general laws of citizenship of India. Which of the following courses would be the most appropriate for the governor to take? Refer the bill to the president. The American Constitution came into effect in 1789. International legal disputes are settled by the International Court of Justice. The Union or India consists of 28 as to 8 states and union territories. No taxes can be levied on expenditures incurred without the approval of the Union Parliament. On which one of the following list of subjects is the Union Parliament component to legislate? Concurrent list, Union list, residuary of subjects. The House of the People shall consist of not more than members to represent Union territories. 20. The principal organ of the United Nations is the General Assembly. How many languages have so far been included in the 8th schedule of our Constitution? 22. B. R. Ambedkar was elected to the Constituent Assembly from West Bengal. The model for fundamental rights in India has been taken from the Constitution of USA. The governor of a state enjoys discretionary powers in certain matters. All lands, minerals, and other things of value underlying the ocean within the territorial waters of India shall vest only in the Union of India. Burma was separated from India in 1935.